What an unforgettable day.
And he does.
He does reign in Spain.
Phenomenal rider.
It's the story of MotoGP 2025. Lights out of racing in MotoGP here.
Marquez.
Marco Bezzecchi, he's under big pressure.
John Zarco.
Once again,
Taco Bagnaia.
lights out.
Michelin have incredible massive grip on the rear tire.
The tires are working super well, the performance is super good.
The develop of the front tire was amazing, and now we have a very good casing, consistent and stable.
Every time the bikes are better, but also the tires. The tires are the key point.
We broke a lot of records.
From that moment, I feel safe.
We trust a lot.
The collaboration with Michelin is super nice. First of all, I have a very good feeling with all the technician that comes to our box.
Marco Bezzecchi wins an incredible.
He's also giving me many good advices on the riding, on how to manage the tires and how to approach in the best way the weekend.